Welcome to our channel. Creating a basic machine learning model with Python is a great introduction to artificial intelligence and data science, allowing you to build predictive models using popular libraries. Step 1. Install Python and set up a development environment, preferably using Anaconda, which includes all necessary data science libraries. Step 2. Install essential machine learning libraries, including scikit-learn, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib using pip or conda. Step 3. Import your dataset, either by loading a built-in dataset from scikit-learn or reading a CSV file containing your training data. Step 4. Explore your data by examining its structure, checking for missing values, and understanding the relationships between different features. Step 5. Prepare your data by splitting it into features and target variables, separating what the model will use to make predictions from what it's trying to predict. Step 6. Split your dataset into training and testing sets, typically using 80% for training and 20% for testing. Step 7. Choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm based on your problem type, such as linear regression for continuous predictions or decision trees for classification. Step 8. Create and train your model by fitting it to your training data, allowing the algorithm to learn patterns in the data. Step 9. Make predictions on your test set to evaluate how well your model performs on data it hasn't seen before. Step 10. Evaluate your model's performance using appropriate metrics like accuracy, precision, or mean squared error, depending on your problem type. Your basic machine learning model is complete and ready for further refinement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.